Hello loves, it's Nicole here and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about 5 myths about lock extensions. Many people have misconceptions about lock extensions and I'm here to give you the tea on what it's really like. So let's get right into the video. So I have my notes here. So myth number 1. You keep your lock extensions for 5 years, then you're done. Your lock journey is over. That is a myth. Lock extensions are another way to grow out your natural locks. It's just an alternative way to grow out locks. So you can cut out the lock extension as your hair grows, or you can cut out the lock extension after 5 years, whatever you may choose, but your natural hair that you grow out of your head, your natural locks, that can last a lifetime. So no, lock extensions doesn't cause your lock journey to be short. You can go along your lock journey as long as you want to. So you can still have a lifetime of locks with lock extensions. Myth number 2. Getting lock extensions is cheating and it's not a real journey. That is a myth. Lock extensions isn't cheating. It's like any other journey, just a little bit different. You're allowed to spend your money how you want to. You can, spend it however you choose. So lock extensions is just another way to start your journey, and you decided to spend your money to get locks in that way. And with lock extensions, you can still deal with the judgment that other people get when they get locks. People still have their ideas or stereotypes of how people with locks are. So you can still deal with some of the problems that you get with lock extensions or with regular locks. But you do skip that awkward phase or the ugly phase of locks, however you want to call it, which I think is really beautiful. But you just don't have to go through that phase if you don't want to, and that's fine. It's just another journey. It's not cheating. It's not, it's not cheating. It's just another way to grow out your locks, and the journey is still beautiful. Myth number 3. Lock extensions are heavy on your hair. So that is another myth. If you go to the right professional, it will feel like, it's your real hair. It won't be too heavy or pull on your hair, anything like that. It blends really well and it doesn't pull down, and it's not too harsh on your hair. It blends really nicely, just like a natural lock. So you have to go to the right professional. I went to, a loctician in Cleveland, Shantae Dread, and she did a really good job. And I'm really happy I went there, and my hair is not too heavy. It doesn't bother me or anything like that. I really, I was really happy with my hair. So lock extensions are not too heavy on your hair, and they're not damaging or anything like that, as long as you go to someone who knows what they're doing. Myth number 4. If you get lock extensions, you're lacking in spirituality. That is another myth. Spirituality means a lot of things to other people. For me personally, it doesn't mean something that comes out of my head. Spirituality is something within me, and it comes from my faith. So lock extensions doesn't mean you lack spirituality. Some people just like the look of the locks. Some people get it because it's easier to maintain. There are a lot of reasons other than spirituality why people get locks. So no, getting lock extensions doesn't mean you lack spirituality. Myth number 5. If you get lock extensions, how will you love your hair? You'll never truly love your hair if you start out your locks with lock extensions. That is a myth. I absolutely love my hair and I'm really happy with it. It fits me and it's the best decision I've ever made. Well, one of the best decisions I've ever made. I can't wait to witness my growth in this journey and see where it takes me. I really love my hair, and I know there's a lot of people that got lock extensions that really love their hair as well. So it's a myth. You will really love your hair, and you will really embrace the journey if you get lock extensions. So if you're thinking of getting lock extensions, you should take these truths that I just gave you to heart. Don't listen to the myths that people put out there about lock extensions. If you want to choose to start your journey this way, by all means do it. If you want to start it the natural way, then by all means do it. However you choose, whether it's twist or comb coils or lock extensions or Insta-locks or anything like that, just embrace your journey and enjoy it. You'll never regret it. You'll really enjoy your journey. So yeah. So there you have it, the 5 myths about lock extensions. So thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I really appreciate you guys for watching my videos and just taking in what I put out there. So I'll see you next time.